Today I'm happy to give you a report on the 2 new long-term care under construction. Sometime in the summer, around June, July, we will complete the 320 beds in Markham, which is located in Apple Creek and Woodbine. In Richmond Hill, Highway 404 and Major Mackenzie, we will also complete 288 beds in the later part of 2027. I'm excited to report to you that we have an excellent feature in both long-term care. For the basic rooms, all of them will have their own washroom, so that they're really an ensuite private room with zero cross-contamination with another resident. For most of the private rooms, they will have their own washrooms and shower, so that they do not need to leave the room to get a shower. I hope you will join me in celebrating 608 beds that's going to come into service very soon. Thank you.